Follow the step on how to make a simple retro background like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by creating a new document. You can follow this artboard size. Press M to make a rectangle. Fill gradient with 3-point color. Select angle 90 degrees. Click Rectangular Grid tool and double-click to open options. Set horizontal and vertical dividers like this. And start to make a grid. Press E and click Perspective Distort. Drag this corner. Change color to white. Go to Effect, Stylize, and click Outer Glow. Set like this. Go to Effect, Stylize, and click again Outer Glow. Check Preview and set like this. Make ellipse. Add a basic gradient. Set opacity to color dodge. Press G and edit. Set to no stroke. Finish. OK. Support this channel by clicking like and leaving your best comments. Activate the notification bell to get the latest updates from this channel. Thank you.